Hello everyone, Irfan here and welcome to Art with Irfan. This channel is dedicated to learning and teaching art and making the journey a lot easier for beginners. On this channel, I will share my journey and learning process with all of you. I will be sharing my strategy and the system that I will follow for learning art from scratch. If you are interested in something like this and want to follow along with me, then I have a few places where you can follow me and learn with me. Or if you are experienced person, you can share your feedback with me. First place will be this YouTube channel where I will be posting a lot of informative videos on all aspects of art as I plan and learn them. Another place is my Twitch channel where I will be live streaming almost all of my journey. In case you want to catch me there and chat, you are most welcome. I also want to point out that I will be creating a summary of streams as well. So if you can't catch me live, then you will still find the content here on YouTube, but it will be more processed content. And then there is also TikTok and Instagram as well. And if you do want to support this journey, then I have set up Patreon page as well, though it still need a little bit of adjustments and all, but you can still support me there. You'll find all of these links in the description below, so check it out. Now, how I started my journey, let's talk about that. So I was watching some YouTube videos and got interested in drawing and writing with pen and decided that I want to buy myself a drawing tablet. I did a lot of searching and watched a ton of YouTube videos, which by the way was a lot of time wasting. Anyways, at the end I got myself XP PEN DECO 01 V2 and I'm very happy with it. My advice is to not waste too much time on which one you need to buy. Just get the one that is most affordable to you. And if you do want to get graphics tablet, then my advice is to get the medium size tablet because it will be a lot easier to use them with bigger screens. And I bought my tablet on November 10th 2023 for $79.99 and received it after 2 weeks or so. Okay, so here is the XP PEN DECO 01 version 2. We're going to remove the plastic wrap that's around it and then remove it out of the box. Then we have our tablet with the wrap around it. Then we have a 1x protective film, and then we have one warranty card and then a guide, and then we have XP glove, and then we have another guide, and then we have the cable itself. We have ATEX nibs for your pen, and then we have two OTGs, then the nib remover and the stylus stand, and then we have the stylus itself and the tablet with ATEX hotkeys. So getting my tablet on 10th November 2023 and doing my first stream yesterday 27th January 2024. It took me around 78 days, which is 2 months, 2 weeks and 3 days to finally get started on my learning journey. In the meantime, I was using this tablet as a mouse sometimes, and I would also use it for writing just for fun. And I got decently familiar with it. And I said decently because I still am accidentally hitting the keys that are available in the pen itself. So I'm not very much familiar with it, but I can use it a little bit more confidently. I haven't set up everything on it, like the keys, shortcuts, etc., because I plan to do that when I know that which shortcuts I'm using in each software. So while I'm starting my journey on Krita, which is a free software and is good enough for me, I will set up the keys as we go because I currently don't know which are the keys that I will be using mostly. So I will use it like that. And I don't want to buy any expensive software right now like Photoshop or something because I don't need it at this stage of learning. So yesterday in stream, I actually started with drawing some lines and then also like drawing the longer lines and curvy lines. And I noticed that I'm very bad at drawing those lines, especially the vertical ones. So I will try to do this exercise on every stream so that I get a bit more confident with my lines. I also did circles that you saw in the start of the time lapse, and with circle I noticed that I'm focusing too much on completing the page rather than drawing good circles, so I will keep that in mind as well. And then I did a few boxes here and there, and finally I get started with a reference image as well. So I got this reference image of a penguin and I started drawing it. Initially I was struggling with it quite a lot to get started, especially with the head area. But then I got a decent chunk of it and it was good, so I got it very smooth. So This was not because I know how to draw or something. It was just because I want to set that basic standard where I am currently and how much we are going to improve. So that was just for that. And for future, I will have a bit more planned videos, because I plan to gather myself a little bit of better plan for what I will be learning in each stream or what I will be learning in each week, and then I will be sharing that progress with you guys. So make sure that you get in touch with me on all of the social media accounts that I have shared my links with you guys in the description below. And so I will be doing more of these videos where I am giving my suggestion on my current drawing status and how we're progressing. I am also planning to do a lot of useful videos, and because I'm gathering a lot of information online, I will be able to put them together in a video. So hopefully this channel will bring a lot of values to you and anyone who is interested in art. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.